Hi listeners, welcome to Insuright series of talks on insurance. In the continuing discussions and talks on motor insurance, I am going to talk today about compulsory personal accident cover for individual owners of the motor vehicle. See, an insurance contract, there is a first party, a second party and third party. The first party is the owner of the vehicle, which we call them as insured. The other party is the insurance company, and anybody other than these two are treated as third party. Okay. Now let us visualize a scenario when the owner is traveling in the vehicle, whether he'll be driving the vehicle or he is traveling as a passenger, and in case the vehicle meets with an accident, and as a result of which either the owner dies or he suffers serious injuries, what kind of compensation is payable to the owner? Now, under Motor Vehicle Act, the insurance policy will pay to the victims who are treated as third party. Now, as we said, owner is not a third party, he is a first party. So, the owner does not get any right to claim compensation under Motor Vehicle Act. So, in case of his death, he or his legal heirs cannot claim under Motor Vehicles Act. Now, what happens if he dies? Naturally, the legal heirs and dependents are deprived of a compensation. So, what the policy has provided, there is a separate personal accident cover provided to the owner. What happens is, in case the owner dies or he gets a serious injury, the policy, this provision, the personal accident cover under the motor insurance policy, will pay the compensation. Currently, the limit of compensation, the maximum limit is 15 lakhs. Now, this not only covers death. In case of a death, the amount paid is 100%, 15 lakhs. There can also be disability, injury could be there, and if the injury leads to loss of 2 eyes or 2 limbs, 2 hands, 2 legs, it is also treated as a 100% disability, and the entire 15 lakhs is the legal heirs can claim. In case of loss of 1 eye or 1 limb, then 50% is paid. This cover is available only when the owner injures or dies while traveling in the vehicle, in his vehicle. Okay, that should be very clear. It's a restricted cover. Now, one thing has to be very clear. There are certain restrictions or certain limitations here. The owner should not be under the influence of alcohol. Okay, anything is the death is attributed to the alcohol under the influence, it is not payable. It is payable only when the owner is traveling in the vehicle or attempting to get in or while coming out. And he can be traveling as a passenger or he may be driving the vehicle. This is applicable only for individual owners. It is not applicable for companies or firms. If the vehicle is in name of the firm or company, then this cover is not at all applicable. Okay. In this discussion, I have made clear the importance of understanding the personal accident cover for the owner cum driver of the motor vehicle. Thank you very much. Thank you for sparing your valuable time to listen to Insuright series of talks on insurance. This is our attempt to create awareness among general public about insurance products, processes and services. In case you have a specific concern about the coverages of the policy issued to you by the insurance company or the claim you have lodged, we suggest that you review the policy terms and conditions provided by you under the policy document. And still you have an issue, we suggest that you take a professional help from an insurance professional. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel on the YouTube platform. Thank you very much.